People who create great things aren't idle dreamers. They are totally grounded in reality. Ray Dalio. Greetings. My name is Joseph Yagar. Welcome to another Life in Perspective broadcast. My objective is to provide thought-provoking discussions so you can optimize your perspective on life. I can't remember the amount of times I shared a vision that was shut down with the statement, "You're dreaming. That's totally unrealistic." Considering my opening statement, that is somewhat of an oxymoron, wouldn't you say? Especially since it is the opinion of a billionaire. Most great achievements begin with a dream. However, at no point, those who hold on to their dream and renounce the naysayers ignore the fact that to make their dream a reality will come at a price most are unwilling to pay for theirs. They are well aware of the reality that is ahead, and rather than shut it down, they choose to embrace it. Before I continue, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so by clicking the subscribe link below. It's free and would be much appreciated. You may also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I wonder how many people told Richard Branson, a dyslexic, that he couldn't dominate the music industry and the open skies. Steve Jobs, an obnoxiously egocentric college dropout, that he couldn't create the first trillion-dollar company. Or Oprah Winfrey, a black female in a white male-dominated media world, that she couldn't dominate the airwaves. How many dreams have you had shut down by naysayers because it wasn't realistic? We're all born with a clean slate. We have dreams, we pursue them and fail. The majority stop after one or two attempts and establish that as their reality, which they then go on to share with the people in their life as a universal reality. And because the majority share a similar opinion, it seems as if reality is set in stone. The huge community that buys into this doctrine ends up reinforcing it through commiseration and justification of a victim mindset. True dreamers experience a similar reality. They have dreams too, that pursue and fail to, but they get up, pursue and fail multiple times, relentlessly believe in their dream and refuse to give up. For them, failure is a reality as much as it is for us all. However, while most of us use it as an excuse, they use it as feedback. While most lick their wounds, they look for solutions. While most are fixated on the idea that it's not meant to be, they refuse to believe anything else but. The difference between the most and the few is simply their interpretation of the same reality. Walt Disney famously said, "If you can dream it, you can achieve it." His dream, the one he never got to see in real life, was a reality in his mind long before it became the reality the world sees today. In fact, our daily lives are filled with realities we take for granted. So the next time you brush your teeth, shave, put on your glasses, turn the light on, drive a car, or take a flight, realize that the reality you enjoy today all started with a dream. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and let me know what topics you would like my perspective on in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.